everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. You guys, I just got a box from Gabriella Plants and I'm super excited about this. I was so excited that I actually dropped the box coming up the stairs, so I hope that everything is okay in here. And I'm not sure if it came today or yesterday, so I am freaking out a little bit, so I'm gonna open these as quickly as possible so you guys can take a look. So I was worried about these guys because we had a mini heat spell. So okay, how cute. This packaging is so cute, you guys. Right when you open it, it says smile, your plant has arrived home. So that's so cute. All right. So how to unbox your plant, carefully unwrap them and inspect them, isolate them from your new plants, report any damages as soon as possible. We got some little stickers, so cute. A coaster for my coffee, that's so cute. So they just have the signatures of the workers there that packed the plants, so that's awesome. So this is how the plants arrived and I'm super excited. Let's open them. Okay, the first one. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. There is no damage whatsoever on my beautiful Birkin. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Look how pretty this is. It is in perfect condition. Thank you so much for sending this, Gabriella Plants. You guys are awesome. Look how beautiful. This is just amazing. Wow. So this Birkin has been on my wish list for quite some time. And I'm so happy that I have it. This is so cute. Love it. All right, so the next one. All right, so here is the second one that I ordered. This one is, I'll just open it so you can see. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. You guys, it's an alocasia frydek. Oh my gosh. Look at this leaf. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Wow. He's a bit moist, so I'm gonna let him dry out a little bit and I'm gonna show you guys what he looks like. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much. Wow. I can't even believe this. There's no soil lost. You can see in the box there's no soil. Packed impeccably with so much care and love, and no damage on any leaves. And in all of the orders that I've done in the past, I have a lot more videos coming of orders. I just have not had a chance to upload them, but this has been by far the best order that I have ever gotten. So Gabriella Plants is based out of Florida and I'm here in Las Vegas, so I was kind of freaking out about the journey from Florida to here, but they made it impeccably. They are perfect. If you want to find specialized plants such as the alocasia frydek or the Philodendron Birkin, you might want to check out Gabriella Plants. They have a wide selection. They don't stock plants that are normally carried in big box stores. They carry more specialized plants that are very different, very beautiful. You can't really find them too many places. So if you are looking to buy online and you want to get a healthy and beautiful plant, I definitely will be ordering from Gabriella Plants again, you guys. So this is so awesome. I am just so happy and thrilled that I have these two little new babies to add to my collection, you guys. What do you think about these? Have you guys shopped online? I know it's like a crazy time right now where we have to stay home and we can't really go out and do like nursery hauls and stuff like that. So I'm gonna leave all the info for Gabriella Plants down in my description box. Thank you, Gabriella Plants, for sending these plants over to me, and I hope that you guys will go check them out. I will leave their website linked down below. They have an amazing assortment of plants that you cannot find anywhere else. And you guys, they also have an Instagram account, so make sure that you are following them on there. They're really active on their Instagram account, and they show the daily activities of their greenhouse and like behind the scenes stuff. So it's really cool and exciting to watch that kind of stuff. Like, at least for me anyways, I love watching that. But anyhow, you guys, I hope that you love this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more because I have more videos on the way. All right, so I will see you in the next one. Bye.